To sign up for Canva Education, go to the Canva Education website. Later on, you can use the Canva app, but when you're creating your account, you'll first need to go to your website here. Click on Sign Up Now, and from here, you can sign in with your school email address and password. So you're going to go sign up with Microsoft 365, and it'll lead you to your school account here. So here we have the home page, and in this short video I'm just going to show you how you can navigate the website and how you can create your own, let's say, infographics or posters or fact files that you'd like to share with your students. So on the left hand side here you can see we're on the home page here. In your projects, this is where all your work will be saved. You can obviously collaborate with your colleagues. Maybe you want to work together on a different poster, or let's say you're working on a different document or a lesson plan. You can share documents with your colleagues, which I'll show you how to do later. And of course, in the trash is where you'll find any of your deleted files. First things first, let's create a document. If I go to create a design here, you can see all the different kind of themes that you can select from. One of the most popular ones that I like to do is infographics. This is where I share, let's say, the top coding apps with the parents of my students. But you can see that there are lots of different ones as well. You can create flashcards, resources, things like that. If we scroll down, you can see just some of the uses that I've been getting out of it. So I've created our parents guidebook here using, I think this was the booklet template. We've been creating online safety posters. You can also create videos as well in this, but that's for another video. And these are posters as well that we've created for our safeguarding team here at Jumeirah. So let's go create a design. Let's have a look at something basic. We'll go to create a poster. So if I scroll down here, we should be able to find poster. If we don't find poster, we can just type it in like this. And you can see that you've got all different types of ones, but let's go with just our portrait poster here. And you can see it'll be just a blank A4 document. Perhaps most importantly that I think you should really get use out of is the templates over here. You can find a template that will really suit any kind of poster that you would like to create. So if I was to go, let's say I like this one here. This is it's kind of got like a tech theme to it. If I click on this, you can see that the template will open up on the larger page over here. Now each one of these elements is fully editable. You can change this any way that you want. You can change the background as well. So let me just show you the basic features so you'll know how to do that. You can zoom in and out of your poster by clicking on this down here. If I want to change the background, just simply click anywhere that is the background, and then up here you've got your color, and you can change it to whatever color that you would like. So perhaps maybe if I wanted to make it purple, if I wanted to make it yellow, anything like that. These colors up here are all the colors that are currently in the document. These of course are all the different colors that you can select from down here, and you can add even more colors down in there. But this is good if you want to have some uniformity in your poster. You can see we've already looked at the templates here. Elements are if you want to add these little features here. So let's just say we've got a laptop here, we've got our iPad and pens. Maybe I wanted to add, let's say, I want to put in a little Wi-Fi symbol or something like that. If I type Wi-Fi and press search, you can see you can then get these little symbols here as well. So if I click on that, it goes in. We can click on it like that. We can turn it around by clicking on this here, and we can place that in here. Again, we can change the color. If I click on this here, click on the colors, and let's say we wanted to have a nice yellow or something like that, you can do it like that. So this is the elements here. You can search any type of element that you want, and you'll generally find really cool little icons and symbols in here. Uploads are where you want to upload your own pictures. So you can see I was using this with my students for online safety. I was uploading a selfie. You can see that I've been using this to create my own national online safety posters. But this is where you'll upload your own photos to add into your posters. So if you click upload media here, and you can select it from your computer or from your camera roll if you're using it on the iPad. Text is exactly what it sounds like. You can add in headings. Some of these are a little bit more elaborate down here. They're kind of animated, but you can just add in your a heading if you want. Again, this can be easily edit it. If I just type sample here, you've got your different fonts, and you've got your sizes. Of course, the size can be changed by doing this as well. And you've got your color, your bold, and things like that. To delete something, you just click on it here, press delete. Audio we'll get into another time, but when we're creating, let's say, a document, we won't really need audio. But these are the four main ones that you need. You got your templates, hundreds of templates, amazing templates, elements for your icons, uploads for your own pictures, and then text. If you want to add another page, of course, you can add a page down here, and you can add in your own elements. You can, of course, duplicate your page if you want by clicking on up here and pressing duplicate. That means that you'll get the same page again, maybe if you just want to make shorter edits to it. And when you are finished and you want to download your file, just click on share. From here, you can click on download, and you can save it as a PNG, a JPEG, or a PDF. If you want to collaborate and work with a colleague, you can just type their email address in here, and once they have their own Canva account, then they can create their own document, or they can make their own changes to this document.